Let's start by connecting the ailerons and mid-wings. Apply adhesive to the interface between the mid-wing and the aileron. Apply glue to all contact surfaces. The aileron contact surface as well. During the application of adhesive, be careful not to apply it to the rudder surface. Next, align and glue the central wing and the auxiliary wing. Press it slightly. Wait for the glue to dry. Next, apply glue to the contact surface on the other side. The other aileron as well. Squeeze and stick it firmly. After gluing, we let it stand for a while and continue the next step after the glue is completely dry. We need to handle these for fiberglass sheets, to these for places respectively. Apply adhesive to the fiberglass sheets one by one. Insert them into the corresponding slots and fix them. After fixing, insert the aileron and slat lines into the groove. The other side as well. Insert the wire into the hole. This is what it looks like after installation. Next, the tips of the winglets need to be installed. Apply adhesive to both the tips of the wings and the surfaces where the wings meet the fuselage. Glue the wingtip onto the wing. Repeat the same steps on the other side. In this way, the entire wing is installed. Align the horizontal stabilizer to the slot. Fix the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer first. Align the rudder with the fuselage slot and press it down. Then we flip the fuselage. There are 2 screw holes for fixing the rudder. We fix it with screws. Remove the ball head from the rubber part first. Put the ball head on the rudder. Secure the rudder angle and pressure plate with screws. Tighten the screws to fix. Observe the length of the pull rod. Adjust it to the appropriate length. Insert the wire into the servo armhole. Use a ball head pliers to fix the ball head. This way, the rudder arm and rudder angle for the flat-tailed mechanism are properly installed. Similarly, remove the ball head and attach it to the rudder angle. Secure the position of the rudder angle. Fix it with 2 screws. Install the back plate. Tighten the screws. Next, install the pull rod. Check the length. If it's too short, we can adjust it slightly. Adjust it to the right length. Use ball-headed pliers to secure the pull rod and the ball head. Fix the tailwheel steel sheet and fuselage with screws first. Hang the pull spring on the wire first. Install the pull spring to the other end of the servo arm. Then hang it on the rudder arm of the vertical tail. The same goes for the other side's pull spring. First, install the pull spring on the servo's arm. And connect the other end to the pull spring of the tail wheel. Tighten the pull spring. It's installed. First, connect the aileron lines of the wing using the Y-line. Similarly, use the Y-line to connect the flap wires as well. Insert the wing wires into the battery compartment of the fuselage. Then align the wing with the fuselage slot and press it together. Open this cover first. Fix it with 2 screws. Install the landing gear in the fuselage slot. Then fix it with 2 screws. After nailing, we press the cover on. Align the wing support with the screw hole. Lock it with screws respectively. Like a real antenna with adhesive. Insert the antenna into the slot. Glue the dowel. Install it into the cockpit. Apply glue to the contact surface of the cockpit cover, and also apply glue around the cockpit. Cover the cockpit and stick it tightly. Open the fairing. Remove the nuts and washers. We'll install them one by one. Radome base, propeller, shim, nut. Tighten the fasteners. Install the propeller cover. Screw the screws. Just stick it according to the instructions. In addition to the tires that come with the plane, we also have 2 large rubber tires. When needed, we can replace this wheel with this one, and replace it with this wheel. The plane is assembled here. Open the cockpit cover. First, connect the rudder servo line of the rudder. Connect them with the Y-line. Make sure there is an unmarked line on the surface, which is the rudder line of the tail wheel. We connect them together. Then we can connect the receiver. Now, I'll demonstrate the wiring using the MISR 66A for everyone. First, connect channel 1 to the aileron line. Two channels for connecting to the hoisting line. The third channel is for throttle. Fourth channel connects to the rudder line. 5-channel flap wiring. This completes the entire wiring. Fix the receiver with 3 meters of glue in the cockpit. Then we powered it up. My receiver has been matched before, so it directly passed. Usually, we need to pair the receiver first. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Flap test. Motor test. The assembly, wiring, and testing of the entire aircraft are now complete.